Here we are discussing MA Psychology. Questions. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of question solution in PDF and handwritten. Also, if you need answers of any type of subject or course, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Now question 8. Discuss the theoretical perspectives of prosocial behavior.
Section C.
Answer the following in about 50 words each. 10 times 3 is equal to 30 marks. 9. Defines social psychology. 10. Person perception. 11. Characteristics of ethnography. 12. Prototypes. 13. Door-in-the-face technique. 14. Negative state relief hypothesis. 15. Proactive and reactive aggression. 16. Characteristics of attitudes. 17. Types of prejudice. 18. Important features of group. Thanks for watching.